focus here is to prepare our students for the industry that's around us.
We think the more that you know, the better off you'll be when you go out in the field.
Every part on our race car has something to do with robotics or electronics or STEM or whatever. It's all manufacturing.
What we're doing is introducing them to the idea of Industry 4.0. Many of them don't understand what that is, and it all starts with knowing. Much of what they will experience here can be found in many other high-tech jobs, not just in manufacturing.
We train the students to be ready to go straight out in the field. I'm telling you, it's gold for the students.
The equipment here is probably the best I've seen in a 100-mile radius.
We get to do a little bit of everything, from motorsports to electronics to robots, CAD. You kind of roll everything into one big building.
The instructors, I found every single one to be really, really patient and forgiving. They're always understanding, and they're never trying to fail you. They're always trying to look out for your success, and I really appreciate that.
I really love the hands-on, tons of hands-on, working with the robots, working with the motor controls, the PLCs, just everything that they have here everything is absolutely fun.
There's so much stuff up here to learn that you almost can't do it in 2 to 3 year span, so I'll tell anybody you'll definitely enjoy it. I wasn't really looking at any other colleges, it was just PH.
I get to be an artist and an inventor and an engineer and create what I want.
This is the future.